In today's video, I'm going to teach you where do I check my orders on TikTok. Updated for 2025. We're walking through the exact place to find your TikTok shop orders in the newest interface, so you can quickly see what you bought, where it's at, and when it's arriving. I'll keep it simple, add helpful context, and make sure you know what to expect on each screen. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. If you haven't used TikTok Shop in a while, it's a good idea to make sure your app is up to date so the screens match what you'll see here. Once the app loads, you'll land on the home feed. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account. Use the same account you used when placing your orders, especially if you switch between multiple profiles. If you see a verification prompt, follow it. This just keeps your account secure. If you're already logged in, you can move right ahead. From the home feed, go to your profile. You'll find the profile icon on the bottom navigation bar. Tap it to open your personal profile page. This is where TikTok groups everything related to your account, including your shop activity. On your profile page, look for the Orders option. In the 2025 layout, it appears alongside other shop-related shortcuts. Tap Orders to open your Purchases dashboard. This is the central place for your shopping activity on TikTok. Here you'll see your recent orders displayed as cards, each showing the store, item thumbnail, total amount, and the current status, like to ship or to receive. It's a quick snapshot so you can tell at a glance what's pending and what's on the way. To see everything in one place, tap View All. This expands your full order history, not just the most recent items. At the top, you'll notice category tabs such as to pay, to ship, to receive, completed, canceled, and sometimes refunds or returns, depending on your region. These tabs help you filter your orders by status. Opening any order shows more details, including the tracking timeline, estimated delivery date, and itemized information, which is especially useful if you bought multiple products in one checkout. If you don't see orders on your profile, make sure your app is updated and that TikTok Shop is available in your country. Also confirm you're on the correct account, since orders are tied to the profile that placed them. That's it. Open the app, log in, go to Profile, tap Orders, and then View All to see your complete order history. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.